First fast-charging dual port in its class. 65 watts as a single, 30 watts as a dual port. Providing fast and powerful charging for both Apple and Samsung. With the gallium nitride IC chip and 3 built-in battery protections. You can now enjoy safe, powerful, and high-speed charging all at once. SoluM Cube Charger. Many multi-port fast chargers on the market, but are they really fast chargers? If only one of the ports can support fast charging, it's technically not a multi-port fast charger. Step aside half-fast chargers. SoluM Cube Charger of 65 watts is the real deal. Our SoluM Cube Charger provides an output of 65 watts as a single and 30 watts per port when used as a dual. It is the only dual-port charger in its class that can simultaneously support both Apple and Samsung specifications for fast charging. Using gallium nitride with the exclusive circuit technology developed by SoluM, we showcase a much more compact size compared to other chargers in the same class. Enjoy optimal charging efficiency that adjusts according to the device and its battery condition via USB PD and PPS functions. There's no need to look at complicated specifications on your device or chargers anymore. It can charge any device, including smartphones, tablets, and even laptops. Now, conveniently charge your device faster, anytime, anywhere. A powerful charger without a safety function is a huge red flag. SoluM Cube Charger is not only strong, but also safe and compact. The exclusive circuit technology of SoluM and the gallium nitride IC chipset minimize overheating and enable safe charging. Safely charge your device and protect battery life with 3 safety functions. Verified by 3 major US safety certifications, choose SoluM Cube Charger with confidence because it will keep you and your device safe. SoluM is a global spin-off company of Samsung that specializes in developing parts for power supplies. We are a steady supplier to the leading IT companies in the world, like Apple and Samsung, with technology accumulated over 50 years and stable production capacity. Groundbreaking technology combined with the latest infrastructure in Vietnam for automated manufacturing. Meet the high-quality charger that excels in both stability and performance. When we found out that many unknown chargers are being sold indiscriminately without any safety verification, it soon became our mission to develop a small, fast, and safe charger for the backers. Introducing our first Kickstarter project, a safe, fast charger that you can trust. SoluM Cube Charger.